Welcome to the second Kotlin tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be setting environment for our Kotlin code to run and to compile Kotlin code. And now here I am using my Eclipse, and to run Kotlin code in Eclipse you have to download or you have to install the Kotlin plugin. So for the installation of Kotlin plugin you have to go to help and then Eclipse marketplace, and then we have here in the search bar type Kotlin and search, and here we have Kotlin plugin for Eclipse. So I have already installed this plugin for Eclipse and now I am not going to reinstall it. So you just have to click this install button. Here I have installed, so this button is saying installed. So when you are installing the Kotlin plugin, you simply have to click on this button and the Kotlin plugin will be installed in for your Eclipse. Now to run Kotlin program in Eclipse, first of all I am going to create a new project. You have to go to file, then new, and then project, and then the Kotlin projects. You need a Kotlin project, and next, and then the name of the project, first Kotlin, and the project location is default location, and then finish. So now I have this empty workspace of Kotlin, and here on the project explorer the name of the Kotlin project is displaying, and from this source right click on this source here and click on new, then other, and then we need a Kotlin file in which we will be writing our Kotlin codes or Kotlin programs, and then they will be compiled and run. And now the name of the file will be, for example, hello, and then we have the extension .kt, and if you do not put this kt extension, it doesn't matter, Kotlin will do it itself, and then finish. Here we have Kotlin hello.kt, which is a Kotlin file, and now I have this code which simply prints hello word on the screen. Copy this code and paste it here, and I will describe the structure of Kotlin program in the later tutorials. And now to run the program you have to save this file and run. First of all go to run as, and then we have the Kotlin application. Now the output is here on the console which says hello world. So this is how you can download Kotlin plugin for Eclipse, and now you can run any Kotlin program in your Eclipse. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.